Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Freshdesk for ticketing workflows without coding step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Freshdesk website. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in the necessary information, including your email address and a password. After submitting your information, check your email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Freshdesk account. On the dashboard, locate the Admin section in the left-hand menu. Click on Admin to access the administrative settings. In the Admin section, find the Ticket Fields option under the Tickets category. Click on Ticket Fields to customize your ticket forms. Here, you can add or edit fields according to your workflow requirements. For instance, you might want to include fields such as priority, category, or additional customer information. Next, return to the Admin menu and select Automations. In the Automations section, you will find options for both ticket creation and time triggers. Under Ticket Creation, click on New Rule to create a new automation rule. Define the conditions for your ticket creation rule. You may want to set up conditions such as ticket source or specific keywords in the subject line. Once conditions are set, choose Actions for the automation. For example, you can assign tickets to specific agents or send automated replies. Save your new rule after verifying all conditions and actions are accurate. Next, head back to the Admin menu and select Customer Portal. Here, you can enable and customize the customer portal for ticket submissions. Ensure to configure the portal settings as per your business needs. After setting up the customer portal, move to the Channel settings in the Admin section. In the Channel settings, link the email account from which tickets will be generated. This is essential for receiving and managing customer inquiries directly in Freshdesk. Optionally, you can enable chat or social media integrations for enhanced support options. Once everything is configured, navigate back to the dashboard and review your settings. Test the ticketing workflow by creating a test ticket through the customer portal. Confirm that all automations are functioning as expected. You are now ready to implement Freshdesk for your ticketing workflows without any coding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.